Hey, what's going on, everybody? In this video, I am super pumped because Instagram has finally unleashed IGTV. And in this video, I want to break down what it is and why it's important for you to be using it. Let's do it. IGTV is Instagram's Instagram television, which is available to everybody inside of the Instagram app, and it also has its own standalone app. It's essentially like creating a YouTube channel for your Instagram account. What makes this really, really cool is, number one, it's all video-based. And videos that can be, guess what, longer than a minute. Instagram's big holdback was you're only able to post content in your posts that was up to a minute as a post or up to 15 seconds in Instagram stories. IGTV is totally different in that you can post videos from 15 seconds all the way up to 10 minutes long. The other cool part about IGTV is that all of the videos are vertical, which means they take up the entire screen on your phone. So be aware of that if you're going to be creating content specifically for IGTV. Don't create square or wide content. Make sure you're creating vertical content, and I'm sure we'll have a video soon on how exactly to do that, but you should be utilizing that. Another great thing about IGTV is that you can also include hashtags in the posts themselves, but more importantly, you can use links. Instagram posts never allowed for links to be clicked to go to another page outside of Instagram, but in IGTV, you can and include it right in that post. It's really, really cool. All of your videos stay there forever. It's not like Instagram stories where after 24 hours they disappear. You don't need to save them to your highlights. You need to do nothing else except post them to IGTV and get rolling. It's really awesome. Go check it out. If you haven't consumed any content on there, I highly encourage you to do that. It's a very engaging platform. You want to be one of the first people to get on board with this because the early bird usually gets the worm. Make sure to post content on IGTV, and I hope you guys enjoy that. If you have any questions about IGTV or Instagram or social media or Facebook, whatever it might be, leave a comment below. I'll be sure to answer. And as always, DM me for anything else. Talk to you guys soon.